Welcome to the fascinating world of terraforming Venus. Today, it's all about comparing the wild theories with the harsh realities of our neighboring planet. Buckle up, because this journey is going to be both imaginative and eye-opening. Let's dive into the imaginative ideas first. Picture floating cities suspended high in Venus's thick atmosphere. Engineers propose these cities could harness solar energy and utilize the dense atmosphere for buoyancy. Sounds dreamy, right? The concept is that these cities would hover in the upper atmosphere where temperatures are a bit more manageable, around 75 degrees Fahrenheit. But here's the catch. The atmosphere is filled with sulfuric acid clouds, making it a corrosive nightmare for any structure. Imagine a city designed to withstand such harsh conditions. The materials would need to be incredibly resilient, possibly incorporating advanced alloys or even entirely new materials that haven't been invented yet. Engineers would have to think outside the box, developing protective coatings to prevent corrosion, and ensuring that the structures can withstand the constant battering from wind and acid rain. Next up, atmospheric scrubbers. These devices aim to filter out the toxic gases, transforming the air into something breathable. Theoretically, they could help reduce carbon dioxide levels, which dominate Venus's atmosphere at a staggering 96 Mars. That's a massive challenge. The sheer volume of scrubbers needed would be staggering. To put it in perspective, imagine a fleet of machines working tirelessly day and night just to make a dent in the thick, toxic air. But maintaining these scrubbers in such extreme conditions? That's a daunting task. The high pressure at Venus's surface is about 92 times that of Earth, which means that any equipment would need to be designed to withstand not just the heat, but also the crushing weight of the atmosphere. Engineers would have to innovate continuously, ensuring that these scrubbers are not only effective, but also durable enough to last in such an unforgiving environment. Now, let's animate those future habitats. Imagine sleek, futuristic designs floating gracefully above the clouds. These habitats could be equipped with advanced technology like artificial intelligence to manage resources and climate control systems to keep the interior livable. But animating this vision brings forth a reality check. The constant high pressure and temperature fluctuations would wreak havoc on even the most advanced materials. Consider the logistics of building these habitats. Transporting materials from Earth to Venus would be a monumental task. Spacecraft would need to be designed to carry heavy loads and withstand the harsh conditions of space travel. Once materials arrive at Venus, assembling them in the upper atmosphere would require innovative construction techniques, possibly involving robotic systems or drones that can operate autonomously. And what about energy? Solar panels could be a great source, but with Venus's thick cloud cover, sunlight is limited. Engineers might need to explore alternative energy sources like nuclear power, which comes with its own set of challenges and risks. The idea of using nuclear reactors in floating cities raises safety concerns, especially considering the potential for accidents. Moreover, the psychological aspect of living in a floating city cannot be overlooked. Imagine being isolated from Earth, surrounded by a toxic atmosphere and living in a confined space. The mental health implications could be profound. The constant reminder of the harsh environment outside could lead to anxiety and stress. Engineers and psychologists would need to collaborate to create environments that promote mental well-being, perhaps incorporating green spaces or virtual reality experiences to help residents feel connected to Earth. As the conversation shifts to terraforming, let's explore the potential for creating a more Earth-like environment on Venus. Some scientists suggest introducing genetically engineered microorganisms that could survive in the harsh conditions and help convert carbon dioxide into oxygen. This idea, while intriguing, raises ethical questions about introducing life forms to another planet. The concept of terraforming Venus also involves understanding the planet's geological history. Venus once had oceans, and some scientists believe it could have supported life billions of years ago. What if, through terraforming, humanity could bring back those ancient oceans? The idea of transforming a hostile environment into a thriving ecosystem is both exhilarating and daunting. So, what's the verdict? While the ideas of floating cities and atmospheric scrubbers sound incredible, the reality of Venus's conditions presents significant hurdles. The extreme heat, pressure, and corrosive atmosphere make it a tough nut to crack. In conclusion, terraforming Venus is a captivating concept, but it's essential to ground these theories in reality. Future habitats could be a blend of imagination and engineering, But overcoming the planet's challenges will require innovation, resilience, and a lot of creativity. Stay tuned for more explorations into the cosmos, where dreams meet reality. Who knows what the future holds? With every new discovery, humanity inches closer to understanding how to thrive beyond Earth. The adventure is just beginning.